We are back with letter F of the undervalued stocks from A to Z in this investing portfolio here. Today's video is all about the letter F as we continue to go through the alphabet looking for undervalued potential stocks to invest some money into for the long term. If you're excited for today's video or you're just curious to know what stock we're going to pick for today's video, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications for all future uploads. This one is being recorded right after we just recorded the Etsy video. As you will see, we have Etsy in the portfolio already down 28 cents. Way to go, Fridge Financials. Yes. But overall, we are up over $7 so far at the time we're recording this video, of course. And if you're sitting there saying, Fridge, why are you recording these so many? School starts up in like 2 weeks, and I'm trying to get the whole alphabet done before then, so I don't have to worry about trying to buy and all that stuff in live time, because obviously I'll be teaching, which could be a little bit of, more stress for me personally. So without further ado, let's get into stock letter F. And again, the idea behind this is looking for undervalued plays through two things: TraderDaddy software, along with my own spreadsheet for intrinsic value here. And with the letter F that we're looking at right now, let's take a look over here. Here is the TraderDaddy software. And again, if you are somebody who is looking to have access to this for all the different features that they offer here, link down below in the description is only $1 for the first month using that link specifically. And on top of that, if you do in fact use that link and sign up for $1 for the first month, you are entered into a giveaway that I am going to be a part of with TraderDaddy. I won a raffle, which was $100, and also a lifetime membership to their indicator they offer. It's like $8 a month. I'm raffling those prizes both off to people under my link that signed up for the dollar, okay, for the first month. So if you sign up with my link for $1 for the first month, you are entered in to win one of those two prizes potentially. Not guaranteed, of course. It's a raffle system still, but you get a little bit of upside as well, potentially, if you win. Imagine you win, you get $100. Wow, it pays for, this software. Good job. Woo! All right. Anyways, if you want to take a look and see where the long-term tab is, you go over research here, as we know. We've done this before. If you're brand new, hey, I'm a slice of cake. I know, it's weird, but it's entertaining also. So we go over research tab. Here we go to the long-term section over here. And again, it gives you the whole breakdown from 0 to 100, looking at profitability, growth, valuation, payout safeties, all that kind of stuff for dividends, everything broken down. You don't need me to go through all of this, but we will go through a little bit of it as we continue to go through the alphabet. We're on letter F today. We'll be on G again, and then H, and so on, so on, and so forth. And the stock that I have for today is actually the first stock that I'm putting 3 figures into, which is like $100, but it's going to be the biggest investment in this challenge so far that we have is into this stock right here. Okay. And instead of saying F, what does F stand for, Fridge? It stands for Fridge, but it's not a stock, unfortunately. Fridge Financials is F, my favorite letter of the alphabet right now. Is it Ford? No, it's not Ford. What else do we have here? I don't even know any other stocks I'm mad for things here. FedEx. It could have been. I was thinking about FedEx, and I was like, don't like the numbers as much. What I actually do like, though, first, solar. Semiconductors, big hot sector right now in the markets here. And First Solar, let me tell you, these numbers look good. And by good, I mean good. Look at these margins. 32.5% net margin. 20+% is amazing. 32.5% net margins after everything is taken out of their gross margins. Operating margin, almost 34%. Return on assets, return on equities, are still pretty good, double digits here. Debt to equity, 0.01. Basically, they have zero debt compared to equity. Wow. Current ratio, 2.52. Look at the interest rate coverage. They can cover their interest 1,686 times over. Gross margins, 44%. Revenue growth, 24% year over year. Earnings per share growth, 38.7%. Oh my dear heavens. And you're looking at the stock here, and you're like, fridge, can it get better? PE is 16.3, forward PE 9.7, growing earnings still with this low PE ratio. Insane. One thing I don't like about it is the market cap is a little bit higher than the enterprise value. That's a little thing. I'm like, okay. Cash flow per share, $7 is great. They're cheap on cash generation. These numbers look good. Let me tell you. And there's no dividend here, but I don't care. I do not care about the dividend when you got numbers like this. It is a little bit heavily shorted, which I'm kind of shocked about, to be honest, in this case. But again, it's probably because it's very volatile. You're in the semiconductor sector and everything like that. But man, if they can keep these numbers going, dude, these numbers are good, man. Let me tell you. I like this. I like this stock. First Solar right now. Numbers look great. Semiconductors, hot commodities right now. Everybody's talking about semiconductors and the software and the hardwares and everything for AI infrastructure, all that stuff. This stock is right in the heart of it, and their numbers look good. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just fact check this with my own balance sheet here. Look at my balance sheet. 76% upside here with my spreadsheet. Not quite the Adobe 100+% upside here, but again, 76% upside with those numbers here. Earnings per share compounded annually to grow over the next 3 to 5 years, 20.46%. Forward earnings per share, $17.63. In your bear case, your base case, your bull case PEs for the future, 10% discount rate. Bear case 1 year right now is basically what it's valued at. Base case, $350, about $100 upside here. So on, so on, so on, and so forth. Some good numbers we're looking at here. And I think this could be a good potential play for it. Again, it's back in the semiconductors. And again, taking a look at our portfolio, we don't really have much in semiconductors. We have software, financial institutions, retail, and we have data centers, those kind of things, but not quite the semiconductor until today. And now watch and learn as I go onto my account, go to First Solar, hit trade, log into my account. I do it on my phone because it's easier. We're going to go to a market order, just like bing, bang, boom, just like that. And we are going to buy up the biggest position right now in the portfolio, $100 into First Solar. There it is. $100, baby. Biggest position right now in the account, First Solar, outdoes Adobe, outdoes Salesforce, all those kind of stocks that you're seeing there. We are in with the biggest position of the year so far in this account. Is it going to last? You have to stay tuned and go through the entire alphabet. I already have my allocations preset in this portfolio here, so you have to stay tuned and see what happens on that one. But this stock has got still some potential for growth, and I like it. If you do take a look at the First Solar stock that we see here, you'll see it was as high as $321. I know it was even higher than that. That is your high point right here. It had a nice little drawdown here, and I hate to say this because I really do. Because when I first made these numbers here, I had a little bit lower here, but, you know, it's had a little bit of a rally ever since. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did make this fun of the video, a little bit of a shorter video, but short, sweet, to the point. We like it. We love it. We want more of it, of course. But that is it. We are now 6 stocks into the A through Z portfolio that we're looking at. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did make fun of the video, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications for all future uploads. If you are somebody who is looking to gain access to the TraderDaddy software, as we'll see over here, all you do is use the link down below in the description, and you get it for $1 for the first month. $1. And again, if you don't do options, I'm in a long-term tab looking at stocks that I don't mind owning for the long term. They offer that there for you. They have all these different tools. They have cash secured puts, leap scanners. They have your own little, journal if you want to look at that as well. There's all these different things that are available for you. There's something for everybody here, whether you're investing, trading, selling options, whatever, it's here for you, and I am here for it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm trying to drag out the time to 10 minutes here, so we're just going to sit here and stare at each other for the next, 10 seconds or so. and we'll kind of wrap it up from there. But again, take a look at Fitch Financials also on YouTube. We have memberships there. We have cheap memberships if you wanted to get some extra exclusive coverage. That is it. We are now officially at the 10-minute mark. So that is it. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully making money in the market in some way, shape, or form. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.